My name is Harsh Iyer. I decided on pursuing an MBA in the final year of my undergraduation. I went to a lot of coaching institutions, and when I came here, they were very warm with me, and whatever questions they had, they answered it in a very beautiful manner, and they explained to me about their course structure in great detail, which helped me decide on MBAGuru as my coaching. It was great. It was really good. MBAGuru has this something called adaptive module. Personalize their course structure according to your needs. They tell you about your strengths and weaknesses, and based on that, they structure their course accordingly. The faculty here is great. They are available all the time. You can ping them anytime. They're free to answer your questions. Yeah, everything else is really good. I secured 99.53 percentile in CAT. MBAGuru helped me greatly. They taught me everything for the examination. So I had about two weaknesses. The verbal ability section and the data interpretation section both were very weak. It helped me recognize my strengths and weaknesses in a much more clearer perspective, which helped me then work on it further. I feel the faculty here is very open. The administration staff here is very professional. Any doubts of yours or anything, they are ready to be by your side at all times. And of course, adaptive module is something which is very helpful. There were brief moments of self-doubt, but whenever I went through such a situation, I used to ping the teachers here, and they used to somehow drag me out of any sort of situation of that sort. It's been a very fruitful journey, I would say, if I were to sum up in one sentence.